girls in the third row. He's hot!
David Cook is hot! Let's give it up for American Idol David Cook performing Time of My Life with Michael Orland on piano. Take it away.
I've been waiting for my dreams to turn into something I could believe in, and looking for that magic rainbow on the horizon. I couldn't see it until I let go, gave in to love, watched all the bitterness burn. Now I'm coming alive, body and soul, feeling my world start to turn. And I'll taste every moment and live it out loud. I know this is the time, this is the time to be more than a name or face in the crowd. I know this is the time, this is the time of my life, the time of my life. And I'm out on the edge, I'm forever ready to run, keeping my feet on the ground, arms open wide, face to the sun. Taste every moment and live it out loud. I know this is the time, this is the time to be more than a name or face in the crowd. I know this is the time, this is the time of my life. This is the time of my life. Time of my life.
Woo! Nice job, David. Congratulations.
What a breeze. Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Ladies, ignite your subject. And for more on American Idol, be sure to check out mnjshow.com. Tune in tomorrow for the other David. Your buddy David Archuleta is going to be joining us.
And Saisha will be here on Friday, as a matter of fact. Yeah.
With a fist fight. Be right back. Congratulations.